Hi guys! Fashion need not be expensive because fashion changes very fast. So I have a lot of not so expensive clothes. Most of them I buy on sale, some from very cheap shops, and I don't care. As long as you are able to wear your clothes well, it can look expensive though it's cheap, right? So for this video, I have 2 sleeves makeover projects and 2 online shopping hauls. For this first sleeve makeover, it's like one-sided, and I have to cut the sleeve off. The extra cloth, probably I made 2 or 3 masks. So I'll just add the link below how to make the mask. And so now I have a matching mask and jumpsuit. Oh, diba social? This second sleeve makeover is a little bit easy because I just had to remove the sleeves, and then I made 2 masks out of the sleeves. So again, I have a matching mask for my attire. Social gyapon, di ba? Now for my 2 online shopping hauls. The first one I bought from Lazada online for 299 pesos. They have original shops in their Laz Mall. The second one I bought from a Shopee seller. I bought it for just 199 pesos. Maybe next time I'm gonna make a video on how to get the best deals out of your online shopping, especially for Shopee. Thanks for watching my video. So bye! Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!